How successful entrepreneurs leverage unique skills, inspiration, and tenacity. What makes a successful entrepreneur? The work is hard, the hours are long, and there are few rewards in terms of prestige or recognition. In other words, it takes a special kind of person to follow their passion and build a business around it. Yet the world is full of people who have done just that, using their ideas and determination to make their dreams come true. What sets them apart is their drive to succeed when so many others would fail. Passion. If you're not passionate about your business and the product you're selling, then you won't succeed. Successful entrepreneurs have to love what they do because they're going to be doing it for many, many years. This doesn't mean your business has to be in your dream industry, but it should be something that engages you. Vision. Successful entrepreneurs see opportunities where most people see no opportunity at all. They're able to identify gaps in the market and find ways to plug them with their own products and services. When developing your business plan, try to consider every possible outcome and how you'll deal with it. Risk-taking ability. Entrepreneurs are often risk-takers, and risk-takers are often entrepreneurs. But not all risk-taking is bad. In fact, it's essential for anyone hoping to succeed in business. You need to be willing to take risks to grow your business. You need to take calculated risks that are within your control. You need to understand what you have to gain and what you have to lose. If you're not willing to take risks, then entrepreneurship may not be right for you. Self-discipline. They have to discipline themselves to work hard and make their businesses successful. Successful entrepreneurs set and meet goals, learn from their mistakes, and take responsibility when they make a bad call. Their businesses are their babies, and they nurture them every step of the way. They have to be prepared to make sacrifices, be self-aware enough to know when to take a break, and know how to prioritize their time. Networking capability. Successful entrepreneurs know how to network. They know who to call to get advice or find employees, and they know when to be generous with their connections. Successful entrepreneurs are generally well-liked and well-connected. They know how to communicate with people and how to put their best foot forward. They know that the more people they know and the more connections they have, the stronger their business will be. Conclusion. These are the core traits of a successful entrepreneur, but they aren't the only ones. Successful entrepreneurs must also be creative, open-minded, and socially aware. They must know their industry inside and out and have a strong understanding of the way businesses work. And most importantly, they must be willing to do whatever it takes to succeed. Successful entrepreneurs are willing to work more than others. They are willing to fail, learn from their mistakes, and keep on trying. They are willing to make sacrifices and work long hours in order to make their dreams come true.
Be sure to like and subscribe. And check out the links below.